Hello. People always ask me, what is the good way of life? What is the way to happiness? What if I tell you I have the answer? Come check out this beautiful condo townhouse in Markham, 19 Melissa Way. This is the way to your good life. For your way to convenience, this is strategically located in Woodbine and 16th Avenue, very close to Highway 404, 407, and Highway 7. The way to convenient shopping, we are only steps to major supermarkets, shopping malls, and also we have nice restaurant with all kinds of cuisine. The way to education, we are very close to high-ranking Ontario schools. Come inside and take a look. We have a very nice open concept kitchen, a eat-in breakfast area, and also we have a spacious family room. Second floor, we have 3 bedrooms, 1 full-size bathroom, and laundry room also located on the second floor. Basement also can become an extra bedroom, or you can do a work from home office. This condo townhouse also includes a backyard, and you can enjoy a lovely afternoon with your favorite beverage.